Learn how to send international transfers. Go to the option International Transfers. Select the country and press Send Money. Fill the recipient information. Select transfer method. The recipient can pick up the cash over the counter, or you can send it directly to their bank account. If you select cash pickup, you'll need to select the location where they will withdraw the cash. If you select bank deposit, select the bank and fill in the account number. Insert the amount. You can send up to $1,000 per day with a limit of $500 per transaction. Then press Continue. Confirm the transfer and you're all set. You will receive a transaction number. You'll also receive an email with your receipt once the payment has been processed. To cancel your money transfer, you must do so within the first 30 minutes after confirming the transaction.